Yeah, I came out here for no air conditioning. It's blowing inside, air inside, just not cold air. Let's see what's going on. This fan's spinning pretty slow. Yeah, it's a PFC motor too. That's really hot. Let's test this capacitor out. 1.0, 0.74. Alright, so just for testing purposes, if it doesn't work, I'm gonna actually make this all look prettier and use metal strap and all that. But whenever you test it, not under load, the capacitor is reading fine, but under load, it's reading bad when you do the calculation. So let's see what this does. Yeah, it's bad. Bad. Bad.